In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive payments on PayPal. Whether you're tidying up your transaction history or just want to keep everything organized, archiving payments can be an easy way to streamline your account management. Let's dive in and take you through each step clearly and concisely. First up, open your preferred web browser and head over to the PayPal website. Once the page loads, you will see the login button prominently displayed on the home page. Clicking this will guide you towards accessing your personal or business account. Now, in the login window, enter your registered email address followed by your secure password. Double check that your login details are correct to ensure a smooth sign-in process. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the PayPal dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Look towards the top navigation menu and click on the Activity tab. This is your gateway to viewing all your transactions, sort of like the digital equivalent of a bank statement, showing every payment you've made and received. Now under the Activity section, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on All Transactions to get a comprehensive list of every financial move you've made through PayPal. This area can sometimes feel like an ocean of data, so it helps to keep things tidy by archiving older transactions that are no longer immediately relevant. Next, scroll through the list until you find the specific payment you'd like to archive. If the list is long, use filters or search options to narrow down your search to make this step more efficient. Once you've located the transaction, simply click on it to reveal the full details. With the transaction details open, the option to archive should be visible. Go ahead and click on Archive. This action will move the selected payment into an archived status, keeping it accessible whenever you need it, but tidying it away from the main view of your transactions. And that's all there is to it. Archiving on PayPal is a straightforward process that helps keep your financial records uncluttered while ensuring that everything remains easily accessible when needed. Remember, you can always revisit your archived items by adjusting your search filters if you need to review past transactions. Thank you for following along in today's tutorial on how to archive payments in PayPal. We hope this has made managing your transactions a little bit easier. Stay organized and see you in the next video tutorial.